Most people get Medicare plans wrong by thinking they are all the same, but Clover Health offers a unique approach with technology-driven care. Here's my usage experience so you can see if it's right for you. Clover Health is a Medicare Advantage provider that uses data analytics to track patient health and prevent unnecessary hospital visits. The surprising truth is how proactive the care team can be. They reach out directly with personalized recommendations and reminders. Most people get this wrong by assuming Medicare Advantage plans are just like traditional insurance, but Clover integrates wellness programs and digital tools to improve outcomes. The plan includes standard benefits like doctor visits, prescription coverage, and hospital care, but also offers telehealth services, fitness programs, and chronic condition support. Their member portal is easy to use, allowing you to schedule appointments, track claims, and communicate with care coordinators. Pricing and premiums vary depending on your location and plan choice, but Clover Health focuses on value rather than just cost savings. One potential downside is that network coverage may be limited in some areas, so it's essential to verify your preferred doctors are included. In conclusion, Clover Health is ideal for Medicare beneficiaries who want a plan that goes beyond coverage, combining technology, preventive care, and personalized support to improve health outcomes. Subscribe for more honest health insurance reviews so you can choose the plan that best fits your needs.